First, the onslaught of devastating floods. And now, another monumental battle. Colossal rocks barricading the arteries of Himachal Pradesh, challenging humans and machinery alike.
Chandigarh-Manali National Highway has been blocked at various places between Mandi and Pando. We are at a place where the first landslide occurred on Sunday afternoon when this road was closed for the traffic. Now efforts are being made to clear this road for the traffic, but the size of the boulders is huge and even the JCB machines are facing it difficult to break these rocks.
Unpredictable conditions, fragile mountains, a daunting road clearing operation for engineers and workers. A huge 150-meter rock slide blocking this section of the Chandigarh-Manali National Highway near Mandi.
कम से कम एक सप्ताह तो समय लग जाएगा और वो भी बार फुट स्तर पे अगर मौसम हमको साथ दे तो बारिश ना हो इस तरह का धूप रहे 3 मशीन उधर है दो 3 मशीन इस साइड में है 5 मशीन हम लेकर काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन ऊपर से जो चट्टान जो आ रही है उसके चलते हम सही से काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
An arduous journey for these crews to restore connectivity with more than 1,200 roads blocked across Himachal Pradesh, including 3 major national highways. The magnitude of the task ahead is evident. Meanwhile, the state government has appealed to the National Highways Authority to step in.
हमने नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी से कहा है कि सबसे बड़ा काम ऑपरेशन का उनका है हमारे हाईवेज़ को खोलने के लिए. मंडी से कुल्लू खुलेगा तरीके से और कुल्लू से मनाली खुलेगा तभी जाके जो है स्थिति सामान्य होगी.
Efforts underway to evacuate tourists, especially in higher reaches. The state government requisitioned an IAF helicopter to airlift 300 visitors stuck at Chandratal Lake camps at 14,000 feet.
We are stuck for like 2 days here. I met them; they really helped me. But we are not. I don't know nothing here, so we really wish the road open soon.
We asked the driver. He just told us there is a landslide. In 2 hours we'll be on the way to Kasol, and just time moves on and nothing happens. The nearest city is Mandi, so we just drove to Mandi and looked for a hotel, and just we're now staying here until we can go.
Makeshift camps set up for those displaced by floods. Several districts still on alert.
People who are stranded beyond Mandi will have to wait for another 4 to 6 days to use this road, but they can also take an alternative route which is via Katola to reach Mandi. With camera person Aman Gupta, this is Manjeet Sehgal at 6 Mile for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.